What's up, gang? Welcome to another lit video. We're gonna be working on the Caprice again. We're gonna be doing a little modification in the front. All right, I already got the bezel out. Look at the front; it's all torn apart. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make myself a custom grill. Now I was looking online for the triple laced or whatever material. And it says it won't get here till like in 2 weeks, but I only have a few days to go to the car show. So I ordered something quick on Amazon, of course. And it's this like honeycomb mesh. I'm gonna see if I could do something with it. So I'm gonna have to cut these off right here, all around. Which I have the grinder here somewhere, and then I'll just leave this outline, this let's call it the trim around, and then I'll cut this to size. Hopefully I got the right one, and then I'll bend it and screw it in right here. But I'll show you the whole process right now, guys. I'll cut y'all back. All right, gang. So I think I'm instead of the grinder, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. What's it call it? Saw, this little, I don't know what you call this one, but I think with that one you could cut into those little bars in the grill. We'll go ahead and try that. All right, gang, I got it all cut out already. Look, I left this this tab right here so I can bolt back on. I'm just gonna clean it up. It's not perfect right now, but I'm gonna grind off the other pieces, the little excess pieces. All right, gang, so I got this grinder right here with this like a, I don't know what you call it, like a sanding wheel. I'm just gonna sand off the edges right there. All right, gang. I actually took off the little tab that was right here. So I left this one on, but there was another one. I don't know if you guys noticed it. I just grinded it off. That's the one that was coming like this way. See? All right, gang. Now I'm gonna measure it. I already measured. It was 35 inches. Now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut that a little bit longer, maybe because I'm gonna add another 1.5 inch like bend go in. So about 37. I'm gonna cut it at 37 inches, that one. All right, guys, so I got the thing cut already at 37 inches. Now I'm gonna have to measure the height of it. And big back. Okay, we're at about 8 inches. A little bit less than 8 inches, but we're gonna give it 1.5 inches more on each side. So 1.5 inches this way, 1.5 inches this way. So that's 10.5. So we're gonna cut it 10.5 inches tall on the mesh. So we're gonna cut it back right now. All right, gang, so what I'm left with is this. It's 37.5 by 10 inches. All right, gang, so I got it all cut up right here. It's all measured. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the center point right here, and then I'm gonna fold it little by little, just a little bit, just till I get the right angle. And then after that, I'll fold it in. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that right now. All right, gang, I did the crease right there in the middle, and now I put the grill on top. It's upside down, so I'm just gonna trace around all around there, which is gonna be my line where I'm gonna fold the edges. Cut your back right now. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see it right there, but I marked it all the way around. Now that's gonna be folded inward. It's gonna be like this. So there's like two sides to this mesh. This side is like rough and like dull, and this side is like smooth and shiny on this side. So this is the side that's gonna be on the outside of the grill. All right, gang, I got it all folded. See, now it's like more solid because I did that fold. See, it's a sturdier piece of metal. So right here, I might have to trim it a little bit. This little lip, I did a little bit too tall or too long. If I had to trim it, it's not bad. That's how it's looking so far. All right, gang, so I measured it from there to here. It's 34.5. So half of that is 17.25. So I cut it right here and up here, so that way I could get my angle so I could fold like this. See? Just that slight little angle right there. Now we're gonna fit it in that grill. All right, gang, I got it fitted already. I'm gonna put some screws on the inside going up. Put a screw it there, then I need to push it down and then screw it over here. All right, gang, I fastened it. You see the little screws right there? Did it on this side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it, see how it looks. It's pretty straight. All right, the grill that I cut off, it has a Chevy sign right here, the Chevrolet song. You can just take it off. I already unscrewed it from the bottom. This, you can add it on there on the grill if you like. Then we'll see how it looks. Let me check it out. What I think, should I add it or no? In the middle? I don't know. Once I put it on like that, and then y'all let me know in the comments if you guys want me to put it on and where. You know what I'm saying? I could buy a Chevy emblem and put it right there también. And there it is, guys. Tell me what y'all think about that. Not bad for 40 bucks, huh? A few tools, a little bit of time, something different. But yeah, I think the original one is better. Did I waste my time or what? Well, anyways, guys, that's it for this one. And I'll catch you on the next one. Oh wait, I got one more thing. So I'm already back from the car show, and we had a little accident, a little incident on the Impala and the trailer, but it's all good. We're gonna get it fixed, repainted. It's all gravy.